Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to create 3D text with 3D motion track in After Effects. Before get started, make sure you have already imported the footage you want to apply 3D motion tracking to. Now the first thing that you need to do is to go to your effects and presets and search for an effect called 3D camera tracker. Just simply drag and drop this onto your video footage. This will start to analyze the video and the background, creating all of the tracking points. Once it's finished analyzing, you will have all of these tracking points right here, and you will also have this target mark right here. On the left sidebar, you can increase the tracking points by moving the slider over to the right just to make them larger, and once you can see the tracking points nice and clear, you can select where you want the area to be targeted. So let's say I want to create text on this building right here. I'm going to specifically target the front face of this building right here. So we're just going to right-click and go to Create Text in Camera. This will then create you some text, and all you need to do now is simply click on the text tool. You can customize this text and type in anything you want. So let's say we're going to type in city living. You can change the position of the text by moving this text here. We can also change the font size as well by scale up or scale down the text. Now, you can change the color of the text and just one that suits your footage. Next, to turn this text into a 3D text, make sure you change from Classic 3D to Cinema 4D Render option. Now, go to Geometry options, and at here you can change the extrusion depth for this text. This is how you make something look 3D. Now, we're going to add some light because the light will help us make this look 3D. So in order to do that, go up to Layer New and click on Light Layer. Change light type to Ambient Light, and I'm going to let the intensity as 80%. And you can see that kind of darken everything. Now we'll go ahead and add another light type. We're going to change this from ambient to spotlight. Click OK. You can move it around this spotlight at right here. And that looks all pretty good for now. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add 3D text with 3D motion tracking in Adobe After Effects. This technique opens up a world of creative possibilities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Adobe After Effects tutorials and creative content. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.